All right, so now I'm going to talk about setting up our retargeting ads. And everything really goes for the conversion video, but there's essentially two different types of ads that we'd set up. Again, depending on the client and what we're doing, you need to know that we either might be setting this up, we might not. This could be one of those things that is optimized at multiple levels. So this philosophy, and my point in telling you this is a preface, as you think through this, think through it for what it would look like if there were more layers, right? So I'm going to talk through two layers, which is a three-step funnel. So someone moving from page 1 to page 2 as a lead, page 2, page 3 as an application completed. But that could be page 2 could be an add to cart, right? So they land on page 3 after the add to the cart. And that could be an initiate checkout, which would be another page all the way to a thank you page. So there could be multiple steps. We're just going to go through two audiences, a three-step funnel. So we're going to create our audience. We'll use our demo and our retargeting conversions. And we don't have an existing ad set, excuse me. So we'll go right here to create new. We'll go retargeting 1. Actually, let's go demo 1. So client campaign, and then really it can just be RT level 1 conversions. All right, save to draft, and we'll go in. Again, we need to toggle and change this to this guy, and we'll change the budget. Typically, this is going to start small, and we might increase it over time depending on the client's spend, what they're doing. Now, the custom audience is easy for this. So for this retargeting ad, we want to hit anyone that landed on page 1 but didn't land on page 2. Okay? And then we still want to exclude anyone who hit the thank you page. Scroll down. Go ahead and let's typically put the location in, but you don't really need it. Why is that? Because it's a retargeting audience. If your first ad was built correctly, it's not an issue because it's only going to be retargeting those individuals that landed on that page, which would be in that location. Here we'll use automatic placements. We don't need to change anything. We'll let this stay at conversions. 7-day click or 1-day view is fine. We want to consume their world, basically. Okay, and that's really it. Next, we'll create the second level, and we'll still use our retargeting conversions. And I'll come back to an important point here. Create a new ad set. And got the type today. Go a lot better. Demo 1. So RT level 2 conversions. Skipping the ad. Save to draft. Now, this is where things change. We need to make sure we're very clear that for this, we need to add the third page. Because now we're hitting anyone who landed on page 2 but didn't make it to page 3. Okay? So we want the algorithm to optimize to get this individual to the application page. Budget, again, start small. Custom audience that we're targeting. Here, we'll go to page 2, not page 3 audience. Really, we shouldn't have to change anything here. We do not have to run page 3 or the thank you page as an exclusion because they're automatically, by default, going to be excluded as part of this. And then much like the other conversion ad, automatic placement, conversions, 7-day click, 1-day view, we're good there. Consume their world, meaning they'll see us anywhere and everywhere. So that's all that we do. Now, the only caveat or place where this may change is if you're in an account like the one I showed previously. So we'll go here and create your ad set. And I don't even know. Let's see. So I do have one here. I'm gonna just type that in really quickly. Now you want to use complete registration, and you can see I haven't even set up because we're not using it for these guys, but you'll want to use that complete registration. But again, remember in this account, you have to set up the conversion. It gives you an option to set it up here. So my point is, if we go to conversions here, custom conversions, we'll need to go to console requested or completed registration, etc. To run this. And so essentially you would have at this level, instead of just a retargeting conversions, you would also have an RT2 conversions. So you could have multiples of these because you need them to optimize to this point, just like you're setting up the ad set level. Some accounts don't have that, some do, so it's just something to be aware of. And that's how you set up your ad sets for retargeting.